makeup, skincare, clothing, so many capsules you get. Most random purchase that I did in this trip. And the dog print is everywhere in the pant. The foothills of Japan. So that I loved it.
Come true.
And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. How are you guys doing? I'm doing amazing, and I think it's been a very long time since I did like a sit down and chit chat kind of video. So finally I'm here, and for people who follow me on Instagram, you would know that recently I was on a trip to Netherlands and I'm finally back, and I have posted so much amazing content from Netherlands in my Instagram page. So please do not forget to follow me on Instagram at indukrish_. So yes guys, my trip was fantastic. It was one of the best trips that I had. I totally loved it. This time around I stayed there for a really long time. I stayed there for close to a month, like 25 days, and it was so much fun. I have so much to talk about the trip actually. I have many things to say, but then I thought this video I don't want to say it. I'll film a separate video only for that. That would be nice actually. That would be like a more like chit chat video, because from start till end I can tell like how did it go, what all happened, maybe some tips along the way I can give, and so on and so forth. So that video will be coming up very soon. I think I have more 2-3 Netherlands content videos for YouTube, so that will be coming very soon. And for today's video guys, we are going to see Netherlands shopping haul. Of course, like once I go for any trip, then I usually post like a haul video. There are a couple of things that I purchased from Netherlands and I thought it will be nice to show you. Also you can get some ideas in case you're going, what you can shop, what is good, where you can buy and stuff like that. So that's gonna be today's video guys. Before I start the shopping haul guys, one thing is that this time around I shopped very less comparatively. Okay, I've shopped like enough, but I feel like usually when I go, I purchase a suitcase full of things. It was a suitcase full of like items that I had got, but then I feel like, you know, I had toned down a lot on like my purchase. Example like makeup or skincare. Most of the things you get in India, I'm not even kidding guys, like most of the things, it's so accessible in India now that you don't have to like purchase from Netherlands and, you know, carry it all the way from there to here. But still there are certain things maybe you don't get it here, so that you can purchase. And also if it's going to be like a one-time trip that you're going to take, then I think it makes sense if you get like a suitcase full of things also. That's completely fine. But then me, I travel very often to Netherlands. This is probably my 5th time that I've been to Netherlands, and over the years I've realized like these things I get here also at a discounted price in India. So if I used to get like 10 lipsticks, probably I have not got lipstick this time. Can you believe there are like no lip products that I've got? I've got like a multi-purpose product which I'll show, but then apart from that I've not got any lipstick, because everything is there. Like if you really know a brand which you don't get in India, then it makes sense. Yes guys, if you're going for a trip, then it makes sense, and also you want to gift like so many people, so that is good. But I have family there, my sister lives there, so that's why I keep going very often. That's the thing I wanted to say before I start my shopping haul. So without any further ado, let's get into the video guys. Okay guys, I've categorized my shopping haul into like makeup, skincare, clothing, then food and others. That's how I've categorized, so we'll see one by one. Also guys, sorry, last point, this was like the main point that I had to say and I completely forgot. This is the second time I'm filming the entire shopping haul. I'm not even kidding. I already filmed it once. Like this was the thing I wanted to say, I don't know, I forgot. This entire shopping haul, I filmed it like once already. For 2 hours I sat and filmed the entire thing. It did come out well, everything was fine, there was no tech issues as such, but then I was not satisfied with the video. It was such a rush video. I'll tell you why. Because that day I had a flight to Chennai and I had like just an hour to leave. So it was so rushed. Like the video was very much like, yes guys, this is what I bought, that is what I bought, this is where you can buy, that is where you can buy, and it was good, but then somehow I feel it was so rushed. Entire video was very rushed, and it felt, at least for me, so although I filmed for like 2 good hours, but still I felt like it was very rushed, and I didn't want to like upload that video. I kept thinking, should I upload that video or should I film it again? I was like, I don't want to put content out like there. Like so far I've always made sure that I take enough time and film it and then post content. I don't want like a rushed video or like just for the heck of it, like posting any video on YouTube or Instagram. I decided once I'm back to Bangalore again, I will sit and film it properly, and like, you know, if I'm satisfied, then I'll upload the video. So that's why I'm doing this video all over again, and you might see most of the packages like open because I've already tried and tested in front of the camera camera. I discarded that video and filming it again for you guys now. So I won't be able to do the unboxing on camera because I've already opened most of the products, but then I can show you what I got and you know how it performs. That thing I can definitely do. So now let's get into the video, guys. First thing, of course, is makeup, guys. Of course, I'm such a makeup hoarder. I love makeup, so I definitely got like a couple of products from Netherlands, and the first one that I got was from Issy Paris. This was also my very first purchases when I went to Netherlands, and I didn't shop too many makeup products. There are like 4. I will tell you, like I bought like I think 3 foundations. I don't know why I got like 3 base products I have got, and this was the first one that I got. First one that I got is the Clarins Milky Boost capsules. This was so viral and I really wanted to get it, and when I saw it in Cotting means discount, I was like, this is the perfect time to buy it also. And shade 1 to 4 were not on discount, only shade number 5 was on offer, and this is my shade. Actually, number 5 was perfect for me. I think number 6 one more is there, but number 5 was perfect for me, so I purchased this one. Whenever I saw a reel on this, I was like, I need to purchase this. This is a very interesting product actually. That's one of the main reasons I wanted to buy and see how it is. So this is how the packaging looks. It's like a glass jar bottle. There are tiny capsules which you have to like break and apply on your skin. I was so excited to buy this product and I really wanted to try it. I tried in the store once, but then again I am yet to try it. I don't want to break a capsule on camera right now because I'll be doing a separate reel for this. Each of these products mostly I'll be doing a reel, so you can follow me on Instagram. Like I told you, my handle is @indukrish_. This is how it looks, and it says Milky Boost capsules Clarins Paris. And then once you open it, you have these tiny capsules. This is how it looks, and then you just have to like break it like a normal capsule and then like apply it on your skin. This is a wow product. Like see that, so many capsules you get, and each time you do your base, that time you can apply. This has 30 capsules. 1 capsule is equal to 1 application. Of course, you cannot break a capsule and then use half. It's not going to be nice. So 1 capsule is equal to 1 application. It's also written in the carton. Just says plant enriched anti-pollution complex, and this was actually 32 euros. I think it was more because the first sticker says 32 euros and then they have slashed it again and made it 9.6. So I got it for 9.6, which is a super affordable price for Clarins. Clarins products are amazing. Seriously, they are slightly expensive, but they are actually good. The last time when I went, I got the Clarins lip oil, which is one of my favorite now. It is so good, guys. I got a nude shade Clarins lip oil and it was fantastic. I've used it like multiple times. Even now I use it. This time around I wanted some Clarins product actually, so I got this. I've seen this capsule before also, so I was like, I'm gonna purchase this. So this is the first product that I got. Moving on, guys, the next product that I got is from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline New York Instant Anti-Age Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup. This is a primer plus concealer plus highlighter plus BB cream plus base tint plus corrector plus illuminator. This is all in one. That is one of the main reasons I bought this, because this product is not available in India. I think I know that this product has not yet come to India, and I wanted to select products which are not here and I can try and test it out. Like I already told you, I don't want to buy products which are already there and on discount here. So this is in the shade 02 Medium Moyenne, and the applicator was super good, and this is a all-in-one product. So like I told you, I've already tested it out and used it. So this is how the product is, and the way you use it is you need to keep twisting and then the product comes out. I have already like taken out a little bit, so I can just apply it here and show you. So this is how the foundation is. I don't even know what to call it. It's very nice. Like the texture also was very good. This is medium coverage mostly, and it was perfect shade for my skin tone. It claims to be a primer, concealer, highlighter, everything, whatever I told you before. Recently I feel I am more inclined towards products which are like 3-in-1 or like multi-purpose kind of products, and when I saw all these claims that it had mentioned below, I was like, I need this product. This is very good because it does so many things in one bottle, so that was like a good thing for me. And it has like a slight sheer because it's also a highlighter. I feel it has like a slight, you know, shimmer kind of thing. I don't know if you can see, but yeah. So this is the next product that I got and I'm loving it. It is very good. Oh, by the way, also guys, the price for this, I don't know. I think it was 15 euros or 18 euros or less than that. I don't know. Within 10 to 20 euros, somewhere around that it was, but it is a good product. Next product, guys, there are 2 reasons why I got this. One, I don't have any product from this brand, and this is such a common brand which is there even in India and also like abroad. So I was like, I'll just pick it because I don't have anything from this brand, and also this kind of looked very good to me. So the next product is from ELF. This is the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation, medium buildable coverage, long lasting, 1% hydration, hibiscus complex. So this is the one that I got and I've already used it. I'm telling you, this is so good. If you're looking for a skin tint and which is not very heavy on your skin, this is the perfect product. This is very good. It gives like a very soft dewy finish. I feel it kind of gives like a very good coverage for your skin. It says medium coverage, but it gives a very natural look, you know. So I really love this. I also wore it to work one day. I usually don't apply foundation to work, but then I love this. I applied it to work, and also it's very easy to use. It's just like a tube, and then you just have to open it and apply it. I used it with my hand. It worked very good. So the shade that I picked is 40 Tan Warm, and Bronze Chord is the shade name, I guess. So this is very nice. I loved it. Similar packaging, another brand that I was obsessed with before was Color Bar, and I posted it in many reels also about that, but this one is so good. It is very similar. It has a satin finish like it says. Look at that, guys. It blends very nicely actually. So this is the next product that I got. And personally for me, if it's mentioned satin, velvet, cream or like mousse, this is my texture. I really like products with this particular texture. I'm not very much into matte because I have combination skin. It tends to dry up, or like extremely dewy also I'm not very fond of. So cream, matte, mousse, you know, or like velvet or like satin finish, this is my kind of texture and I love this. This is a very good product, guys. The next product that I got is by far the most random purchase that I did in this trip, but it turned out to be so good. So this is from a brand that I've never heard before. This is from MCO Beauty. It is a multi-purpose stick. Like I told you, these days I'm very fond of like multi-purpose stick or like 3-in-1, 5-in-1 kind of products. It kind of like attracts me. So I got it from this brand called MCO Beauty. I've never heard of this brand. I don't think it is there in India as well. So this says Baby Face Multi-Use Cream Stick Creme Multi-Usage. That's what it says on the packaging. I've used it a lot already. It's been like 20 days since I'm back, I think now, and I've used it enough. The shade is so good. It is like a rosy shade. It is really so good, guys. And then here it says Lucy. I think Lucy is the shade name if I'm not wrong. Even today I've applied that on my cheek. It gives a very like mild tint. It's not very highly pigmented, I would say. But then I think that kind of blushes I do like, which does not give too much pigment in one swipe and then you keep blending it. Sometimes I do like blush which gives like a mild tint, because then you can just use it a little bit. If for work also, if I have to use it, then it's very good. And this is how the shade looks, guys. It's such a beautiful pink shade. It's very similar to my t-shirt color. I really loved it. I think this is one of the sticks that I'm going to use. I used it on my lip. I used it on my eyelid. I also used it for my cheek. It's amazing. I think overall I do like it. It is soft. It is very blendable. That thing is there. Color is really, really good. I thought I'll apply a little bit and show you. So this is how it is. It is so good, guys. When you apply, it gives like a good tint, but once you like blend it, it blends very well and does not leave like a very bright tint on your face. So I kind of like this product. Since we are already in the makeup section, this is the next product that I got from Primark. I so loved how it looked. I didn't know how it was going to open up because there was no like sample product, but then I got this brush set from Primark. It is so beautiful, guys, and once I opened it at home, I really loved it. So it looks like this, and once you open it, then it opens up like this. I so loved it. This is going to be so helpful for traveling because all my brushes are like lying down here and there, and I have to like keep washing them because it gets dusty and stuff, right? And it's not good to like apply like that on your skin. This is so good because I can use and keep it inside and then also lock it. It is so easy to travel with this brush set. Also the brushes are like really soft. I already tried it once. These are like super soft and nice. I like the packaging. It has a very beautiful rose gold glass kind of like body. It is so beautiful. I'm telling you, the entire set looks so good. Look at this. It's rose gold and transparent kind of body. It looks amazing. The minute I saw this, I was like, no matter what, I'm going to take this. It was very inexpensive also, if I remember it right. This is the thing, since I threw the packaging in the last video, I don't have the price, but I think this was around 4 euros. It was not expensive at all. It was from Primark. This is the reason I like going to Primark, because they have so many interesting options that you just go crazy, seriously. Like in brush set only, they had so many options, and they have like shower caps and like, you know, face mask and like different tools for your hair, for your like body. They have face scrub, this, that. Primark is really good if you have like good time and explore. You will get many cute tools like this. So for that reason, it's very good. Primark makeup, I'm not very sure. I'm not a very big fan of Primark makeup. I don't think I would prefer buying makeup from Primark. I would rather buy it from some other brand. But then these kind of tools and like some other things I've got from Primark, they are so good actually. So this is why I love Primark. This was one of the things that I got. And then the next thing that I got again from Primark, this was a very random purchase. I was like, because it was on offer or something, I was like, yeah, let me just pick it. And also one of the main reasons I got it was because it was easy to use. I'll tell you what that is. So this is a scalp massager which I got from Primark. This was like 2.5 euros and I got it for 1 euro because it was on offer. Best part that I liked about this is you can clamp it in your shower. So that is like the best thing. Look at this. With this, I don't know if I've seen many. So I thought like it will be a good purchase, and it's a very normal thing. You get many options here as well. And this bristle also was very good. So I thought I'll buy like a scalp massager. I wanted to buy one in the past also. So this was like a good thing to buy now. So yes guys, that was the makeup haul from Netherlands. Moving on to skincare, there are not too many. Actually, there's just one particular product that I got, which is like sheet mask. Sheet mask in Netherlands is so good. You get so many good options in sheet mask. So I was like, I'll anyways pick few. And some of them were from Primark. Primark sheet masks are actually good. I have seen that, and also I've used it in the past, and also my sister has told like, you know, maybe like makeup and skincare not so much you would like it, but sheet mask in specific, it's very nice. These are the ones that I had picked from Primark. I'll quickly go through what are these. So this is the Primark Prep Plus Perfect Illuminating Priming Sheet Mask. So it has like Pro Vitamin B5, Witch Hazel and Vitamin E. So this was one. And the next one that I got was this Hyaluronic Sheet Mask. I think I've used this in the past. This is Hydrating plus Hydra Tint. Okay. And the next one that I got was purely for the packaging, guys, because it was this pumpkin spice latte sheet mask. And for Halloween, they have like so many props everywhere in like Netherlands. In Primark, I had seen it in Action, I'd seen it in a couple of stores. It is crazy because I went in August and there was like literally 2 more months for Halloween, right? But they have kind of like started like already selling like props for that. But that was like a side note. This is the pumpkin spice latte moisturizing printed sheet mask from Primark again. Yeah. And then my sister had gifted me 2 sheet masks. So this is from Kruidvat actually. She went and got me a couple of things. Very sweet of her. Thanks to my sister. This is the Nourishing Foot Mask. This is so helpful. I don't know how she knew I wanted it, because the foot mask that I got in the past, I've used it. It is actually very good and my feet gets really dry, guys. So this is like a good purchase. This is the Nourishing Foot Mask, and then it is written in Dutch, I guess. So I don't understand much. But this has tea tree, peppermint, vitamin E. Yeah. That's what it says. And then she also gave me this eye mask, which is again from Kruidvat. This is the Cool Vibes Hydrogel Eye Mask with cucumber and mint extract. This is again a good purchase because both of these I had forgot, like eye mask and foot mask, and I was in a rush actually. I had very less time to shop this time. I didn't prioritize shopping that much because I was so interested in like spending time with family and with my niece and nephew that I just kept aside like 2 days for shopping, and then now and then when we went out, I picked out like a few things. This is the skincare that I purchased, guys, which is not much. It's just sheet mask, but it's very helpful. Moving on, guys, it's going to be clothing, and it's again mostly from Primark. Yeah, I think it's only from Primark because I didn't shop clothes anywhere else. And I'm telling you, one of the main reasons why I like wait to go to Primark is for this. It is nothing but cartoon PJs, guys. Primark has one of the best collection of cartoon PJs. I've got so many from there. Even today I was wearing the one that I got from there. It's like the Winnie the Pooh PJ, I think, and I was waiting to go there and buy more. This time around I thought I'll get at least like 2-3, like even though it will take like a little bit space in my suitcase. I was like, I'm gonna get it from there because they are so comfy and they are so cute. Like the prints they have is very cute actually. They have like a wide range of like cartoon prints. I so love it, guys. It's really cute. This is the first one that I got, which is super cute, and then it has like these matching pants with the print all over. It's so cute. I got it in the size L because XL is very loose for me and L fits perfect. And these all were around 15 euros, which might look very expensive for a PJ set because 15 euros, if you convert, I think it'll come close to like 1500 if I'm not wrong. But then I really like it, guys, and I love cartoon anything. So these I definitely thought I'll get when I go there. And the next one that I got is this Hello Kitty PJ set. It is so cute. My god, look at this, guys. I'm wearing Hello Kitty and this is also like Hello Kitty. Yeah, this is like a PJ set. This is like the top. And this pant had a very cute print. It had like flowers and like strawberries all over it. And I thought this would be amazing. This is the pant that came with it, and again it is 15 euros. And yes guys, since we're already on that topic, this t-shirt is also from Primark. This is also one of the t-shirts that I got from Primark, and I so love the print. It's like a huge Hello Kitty print in the center. It looks so cute. I already have worn it once in Netherlands, and I even have pictures of that. Same outfit, same hairstyle. I've worn it once actually. The day I got it, I was like, I want to wear this for sure. The next one that I got is this dog printed PJ set. This was very cute. Like, look at that, so adorable. Like, how can you not want to buy this? And then it has like a I don't think there's a print in this. I didn't open it completely, so this is how actually it comes. I had taken it out, like I told you, I've taken out the packaging for everything. So this is how it comes. I think it's a plain t-shirt, but it's a full sleeve t-shirt actually. Yeah. So this is how the top looks. For winters, I can wear this if I need to wear like a full hand t-shirt, and the dog print is everywhere in the pant. So this is the next one, which is again 15. All these were 15 euros. The next one that I got is again from Primark. That was pretty much the one shopping place that I went for a very long time. I did go to other stores as well, but I picked it very quick. But one place where I like thoroughly saw, there are like 4 floors in the Amsterdam Primark. So if you're going to Primark in Netherlands also, I would suggest you go to the Amsterdam one because it's really huge and the collection is like amazing. So I would suggest you go to the Primark Netherlands one. And when I saw this, I really loved it. This is like a denim skirt. It's kind of like a ankle length denim skirt, and then it has a slit in between. It was so pretty when I saw this, and I was like, I'm going to buy this. And it has like a tie-up situation around your waist, and this was actually on discount, which I realized later. This was 28 euros and it was slashed out to 10 euros. And yes guys, I didn't have a denim skirt actually, and I wanted to purchase one always, so I was like, this is like a very beautiful skirt and it will look perfect with like a white top or something. So this is the next purchase. Last in the clothing section is this over the knee socks, which I always wanted to get. You know, when you wear like a knee-length dress and you want to pair it up with boots, these look very good actually. I've seen this kind of like fit. I've not tried it yet, but then I always wanted to get like a knee-length sock and see like how it looks. So this is the one that I got. Yeah, it's a normal socks actually, but it is really long. Again, I don't know how many euros guys. This was 5 euros, 4.5 euro actually. So yes guys, that was the clothing section. Now let's move on to other things actually. The food, I'll keep it at the last. There are not too many. This part that I'm going to show you is mostly accessories and gifts that I got guys. So the first one that I got is from my sister. These 2 cute hairbands. She gifted me like so many things from Krudvat. So this is one of the hairband. I love wearing hairband actually. So this was the one she got. I don't want to spoil my hairstyle. And I like the print actually. And this is another one. Hairbands are like my favorite. So this is like a floral print hairband, and I can pair it up with some dress. It looks so good. So these 2 hairbands she had given me. Then she also gave me this clip, which is huge. It is going to be so helpful because just today I broke like a clip which is similar to this. It's a little smaller, but then I don't think my hair is so dense, but then like when I tie it up, it kind of like has to fit my hair properly, and that broke today. And I do have like a couple of options, but this is so beautiful. Look at the print guys. It is so nice. It's black and white. This clip is going to come in very handy. The next one guys, this is one of my favorites. This is one of the things that I wanted to buy because I bought it in the past and I think I broke it or I lost it. This is polarized sunglasses from Primark again. Specifically, I wanted to get it from Primark because this model that you see, I remember seeing it there and it fits me so perfectly and it looks so good on me. This box shaped sunglass is one of my favorite guys, and this is very Khloe Kardashian types actually, if you know. When I went to Primark, I knew I have to like purchase this. This is basically the Rita Ora collection if I'm not wrong, because in that only you have this style mostly. Yes, this is Primark Presents Rita Ora, and I love the sunglass. I tried it out there, but then it looks, oh this is hitting, but then it looks so cool guys. I have to style it properly, then it will look amazing. And this costed like I think not much. It's not very expensive because Primark itself is an inexpensive store. This was around 7 euros. So this was around 7 euros. I love this sunglass and I'll style it with some outfit very soon. Next thing that we have is this jewelry set, which again my sister had gifted. This is so pretty. It is dainty, but it is bling. This is perfectly Indo coded thing actually. My sister knows best what she has to get me. This is so pretty. I don't know how much you can see on camera, but then it is super bling and super pretty. It would look so nice guys. When she gave me, I was like so happy, like wow, this is so beautiful. This is a set. It's a neck piece and like matching earrings. It will look so amazing, guys. I seriously loved it so much. Next product, guys, this is also one of my favorite purchases from Primark. I was searching for this. Like literally I was like searching for this. When I show you, you might think like this, you'll get it here. But no, guys, like I'll tell you why. This is a refillable powder pot with puff. How cute is this size? Like how cute is this to travel around with? The reason I loved it is A, it is so small, and B, it is so compact. So you can put your loose powder here, and then you have like a small puff that comes with it. Look at the size. Like seriously, this is a small puff that comes, and then you can like take the powder from here, and then it has a small mirror, guys. Like look at that. Like it is such a compact yet helpful product. I was in love with this. When I saw this, I was like, I need this product for sure, because I have seen like refillable powder pots here as well, but then either the size is big or else you don't have a mirror or else it doesn't come with a puff. So something was always missing, but this one is like perfect. I always wanted something like this. I so love this product, and this was around 3 euros. It is so inexpensive also. This was just 3 euros. I loved it. The next one that I have, guys, is a decor piece, again gifted by my sister. She gave me so many things, like I've already shown you some of them. The next one that I got is, guys, is this mushroom decor. It is so cute. It's just a decor piece that you can hang, but it looks so cute. Like, oh my god, this reminds me of my nephew because he loves mushroom. I also like mushroom actually, but then every time he wants noodles with champignon. Champignon means like mushroom, so he always likes that combination. We used to like make it most of the time, my nephew. Where she got it from is Home Accents Decorations, and in the card it says autumn deco hanger. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's a very cute mushroom decor. I'll hang it somewhere. It's so cute, guys. Okay, guys, the next few things are from my dad actually. So before I left to Netherlands, that is the time my dad came back. Unfortunately, we could not go on the same date, so he went first, and also my niece was turning 1, right? So he went first, and then once he came back, that's when I left, and my leaves were also approved for that duration. But then he got me this cute stationery stuff from like Netherlands. First one is this laptop stand. I was like, this is such a cute gift. 90% I'm just lying in the bed like this, but then I thought this is such a good gift. Like I so wanted like a laptop stand. This will come in very, very handy. Then he got me these 2 cute books. Look at this print, guys. He thinks I'm a baby still. So he got me this cute book, and then he also got me this to-do list, which is very, very helpful. And then he also got me these headphones. I think these are from Action. There's a store called Action which has very nice products, so he got it from there, I guess. Someone is hitting something on top, guys, and it is so annoying. I think it's like the people living on top, they're very annoying, guys. That's like a very different story time. Some other day I'll definitely tell you. Random times they just have to do something. It is almost like 9 p.m. right now. Some noise is coming. I hope you cannot hear that. But okay, guys, for the next item, since we are talking about accessories and gifts, next one is a gift that I had got. So this is from my brother-in-law's mother-in-law. No, my brother. That's my mom. This is from my brother-in-law's mother, and she had given me this very sweet gift actually. So she had given me like this home fragrance, which is so classy. It is so freaking classy. This is the Dawn Lily plus Cedar home fragrance. It looks like this. I really wanted like a home fragrance. The best thing about this gift was it is so on point. This is literally what I would like a home fragrance, because I had something similar, but that's old. It's over. It's gone now. So I wanted like a new one anyways, and this was like the perfect gift for me. And then she gave me like the best chocolate, because this is one of my favorite chocolates. This is the hazelnut chocolate, like the nutties that you get here, right? Like very similar. I have finished like so much already. Like just I have eaten it and so much I have finished already. I love this chocolate. I love Ferrero Rocher. That's my favorite, and this is like my next favorite. I so love this gift. Thank you, auntie. Okay, guys, moving on to the last section, which is the food section. So my sister wanted me to try this, and she gave me a couple of sachets. This is the warm chocolate milk sachet. You just have to take it and mix it with warm milk. She told it's very nice. So this is from a brand called DELICAT. I don't know how to pronounce it for sure, but the chocolates also from this brand are very good. So this is the sachet that she had given, a couple of them. So I have to try it. I'm yet to try it actually. Maybe I'll post a reel on this as well, guys. The next thing again was given by my sister. She is so sweet. I told her like I wanted to try matcha, because I've not tried matcha before, and here I really don't know which is like the authentic brand, and I'm not sure which one to buy. So she got me this matcha powder, and she told me it's very good. So this is from the brand called Perfect Ted. This is the vanilla matcha. Sounds very nice. This is single origin ceremonial grade from Japan. Looks so good, guys. This is the first time I'll be trying matcha. I've heard a lot that it tastes like grass. I'm really not very sure, but matcha is the craze now. Matcha latte, matcha ice cream, matcha chocolates. Like everybody is talking only about that or drinking that. I have never tried. This will be my first time trying matcha, I guess. Vanilla flavor matcha green tea powder, it says. And then at the back of the packaging it says shade grown, hand picked, air dried, stone ground from farms on the foothills of Japan. So that's what it says. There are instructions how to like use this. So whenever I do it, on this I'll definitely post a reel because I want to like record my expressions on the first time I have matcha. So I will definitely do that. Follow me on Instagram, guys. I'll also post it on YouTube Shorts anyways, I think. The next one, guys, is something that I get every time I go to Netherlands. It's this chocolate sauce because food quality there is so high. Every product has to pass like the food grade and only then it's available in the markets. Otherwise, it's not allowed to be sold. So everything is of high quality and it is so nice actually. Whenever I go, I buy this sriracha sauce. I buy like the normal sauce and also like chocolate powder, chocolate sauce. Like last time I got pasta sauce also. It is so good actually. And this is the hazelnut pasta. That's what it says. Last time I got like a different brand and I didn't like it. The previous time I had got this one and it is very, very nice. It's like a thick chocolate sauce. And this is the one that I got. It's a very big bottle, so it lasts for a really good time. I've already started using this. Look at that. The next one, guys, is sort of like a health product. My sister was telling this is very good, you should consume it, it's very good for your health. And then she ended up buying me 2 of these packets. This is the cocoa nibs. This is very high in fiber, has high phosphorus and also high magnesium. It's apparently very, very good for your health. And then she got me 2 of this, which is very sweet. Thank you to my sister again. And then you just use it like 1 spoon every day. Some of them also added to their smoothies is what she had mentioned. And this is raw organic food. I've already tried it. Like the other packet, I have opened it up, but it is very bitter. But then it's very good for your health, guys. So be pure, eat raw is what it says. What else, guys? I think this is the last one. Just like a couple of chocolates that I had purchased. Main thing is that I'm obsessed with pistachio flavor, guys. I don't know what it is. I always like pista flavor, but then I love it now actually. It is one of my favorite flavors. Chocolate and pistachio are my favorite flavors right now. So I've got like pista chocolates as well. This one my sister gave me because I love pistachio. When I was there also, my sister made me try pistachio bread spread and also like pistachio ice cream. That was so good. Like still even now I crave it. It was very nice. Even here you get pistachio ice cream, but that was like extremely high quality pistachio ice cream, guys. And then I had like pistachio biscuit type ice cream, something. That's what I tried. And yes, guys, I think that's the end of the haul. I was just looking around to see what else I haven't shown still, but that is the end of the haul. I was actually saying at the starting like I've got like very few products, but looks like I've got like a suitcase full only, guys. But I love each one of them that I've purchased from the trip this time. I hope you got an idea or two on like what you can purchase, where you can get it or things like that. So I hope you really like this video, guys, and I will see you soon again with another video, guys. Bye, guys.